Hey, what's poppin', you guys? I'm back with another episode today. We're hitting a pull day. I'm skipping out on deadlifts, y'all. I'm trying to get some. I know I went for my PR last time on the squats, but this time I'm really going to try to hit it tomorrow. So I want to take it easy on the lower body today. So fuck deadlifts for today, all right? I want to start off with a T-bar row here. Just get warmed up with this first set on this plate. And let's see how this shit goes today, y'all. I'm excited. Let's get this shit rolling. Come on. All right, that's that first set there. And look, I was just doing that pulsing thing again because I'm kind of adding that to my first warm-up sets just because I feel like that little high-impact shit kind of helps my muscles get fired up and just gets the fast twitch muscles working a little bit better here. So, all right, so that's set one for you guys, all right? Set two of this shit, you guys. This is going to be another warm-up set. Just, again, I like to really take my time with these warm-ups. It's just kind of the best way to go about this shit, all right? Let's go. Let's go. Enough talking. Oh yeah, feeling pretty good today, y'all. That was feeling as smooth as a baby's bottom right there, ladies. Come on, let's get it. All right, y'all, it's gonna be my first working set, getting everything fired up. Those two plates are feeling like a breeze today, so I'm like, let's see how this shit goes. All right. This is actually one of my favorite upper back movements. If y'all don't know, this targets your upper back a lot less of the lats and shit, unless you're using like a different T-bar row grip, or you can either grab like your own grips and do it with like D handles, or some T-bar rows have like another angle to it all, but that's going to target more of the lower lats. Up here though, you're going to hit more of the upper back round boys and all that shit. So let's get it going. Set one, working set here. Oh, that's 10 of them bitches. Look, this is I don't usually start off with T-bar rows at first, but every time I do, it feels fucking great. I'm feeling like I'm about to hit a record here today. All right, so let's see what we got. All right, y'all, set two, working set. Man, I put a little tenor on there because this is what my PR was last week. And I'm feeling fucking great right now. So let's get this shit rolling. Let's see what we got. Ugh. Lord, help me. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Ooh, man, I don't know how much I got last time, but that was 8 this time. I'm about to go review my footage of last week, but that was even moving smooth. So let's see what we got for next set. Come on. All right, y'all, set three, working set here. That shit was feeling like a breeze. I had another 10, and this is a new PR right here, all right? And I just reflected on my last time I hit that PR. It was the last exercise I did. So, I couldn't really judge how hard I was going off of that. So this one, though, I want to see how this shit moves. Let's get this shit going. Oh, fucking hell. Ooh, shit. That was great right there, y'all. That was PRs, baby. Let's get it. Set three down. I'm going to see juice whatever the fuck I got left, all right? Let's get this shit rolling. Last but not least. Oh, come on. Oh, that was it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, man. That's how you burn the fuck out right there, ladies and gents. All right, I'll set one of these bicep curls here. These are my fucking, actually probably one of my most favorite bicep curls just because, like, that stretch at the bottom. It hurts like a motherfucker, but that is, like, some of the most beneficial, like, areas to get strengthened up out, like, here. So it's like, man, let's make this shit happen, y'all. Set one. Come on. We're gonna stick to this weight. Look, I like to keep this one lower weight, higher reps, just because, yeah, you never really know when, because I've seen too much videos of fucking people ripping their bicep tendon and shit, man. That shit got a motherfucker traumatized, so I ain't trying to deal with all that, all right? So, take them nice and slow, get higher reps with this, don't go too fucking crazy with the weight, all right? All right, let's do it. Jesus. Hey, that's that shit I'm talking about, y'all. Come on. Set 2. 3 sets of these as usual. I don't gotta keep saying it. So we got 3 sets of small muscle groups, all right? Let's make this shit happen. Oh, come on. This baby weight right here. Let's go, let's go. Oh, yeah. That's how you fucking finish those bicep curls, y'all. Set 3. All right, y'all, moving on to this lat pull-down machine. Look, this is one of my more favorite ones, guys, because I was just like, wherever you put the weight, that's where it's going to target a little bit more of. Like, man, we got the beginning, middle, and end range, and I like to kind of spread out the weights just so I get a little bit of resistance throughout the whole movement. So let's try this shit out. Set 1. Let's get it. Oh, come on. Hell. Ooh. See, that's that shit I'm talking about. Oh, Lord Jesus. Oh, help me, please, God. Oh, my God. All right, I'll set 2 of these dirty sluts right here, all right? We got to get this shit rolling. Again, they're feeling pretty fucking good. So I'm staying with the same weight. I'm going to see how much I get off of this one. And if I get more than like 8, then I'll probably go up to the next set. But, so let's shoot for 10. Come on, let's go. That's it. Oh, fuck. I think that was 9. So we're going up a little bit, y'all. Let's get this shit moving. All right, y'all. The pre-workout is starting to wear off. I'm fucking, something's kicking my ass right now. I don't know what it is. That's probably just fucking workout. I'm used to deadlifting, but man, this shit is beating my ass right now, you know? But hey, that's how we do it, y'all. That don't mean we're going to stop. So got 2 more exercises. Let's go. Come on. Dude, oh man, I think I was like 5 or 6, but all right, that's what we're here for. Go fucking hard at some point. All right, last but not least, y'all. I don't know what the hell happened last set, but I'm feeling all right getting set, so let's see what the fuck we got. The homie chalked this bitch up, so probably a little bit better for the grip. Probably a little better for the grip, right? Fucking hell, let's do it. Enough talking. Let's move this baby weight. Come on. Oh, that was it. That was it. Jesus Christ, bro. All right, y'all. Set 1 of these neutral grip rows. Again, I like to hit these at the closer to the end. Well, actually, it depends on what I'm going for. For like today, I was focusing more on upper back, but now this is like to finish off with a little bit more mid and lats right here. So let's see what the fuck we got. Yeah, I got the chalk going too, because my hands, you start giving out after a bit of these bitches, you know? Let's see what we got. Woo! Oh yeah. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I used to never do these right here, but once I started really like locking in and getting the form and technique down, my lats are fired up in this bitch. So one of my new favorites. There we go. All right, y'all. Set 2 of these bitches. That first set was feeling fucking good. So let's see how this next one goes. I'm gonna see how much I got. I'm not even counting anymore. I'm just going till I can't with these bitches right here. So let's see. Fuck. Woo! That's all we need. That's all we need, baby. Call that for set 2. Set 3 in this bitch. I'm still debating if we got another exercise after this. All right, we'll see how we feel after this shit. So let's go until we can't. Come on, drop set in this one. Whew. Oh, Jesus. Take me now. That's how we fucking do it. Drop set one. We only got one more set of these bitches, y'all. All right, ladies. Last but not least of these right here. I'm fucking. This is the last one. Yeah, this is the last and the least, y'all. I can't. I'm holding out for dear life right now, but fuck it, man. That's what we're here for. We ain't here to play no games. We're here to make some fucking gains. Come on. That rhymed like a motherfucker. Call me Dr. Suits in this bitch. Come on. Oh, fucking K. Man, and that's how we finish with the V grip rows, man. That's all we do. All right, y'all, it's time to wrap it up. Thank you guys for checking this shit out. We're gonna finish it off with a punch check. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see how we ended out for the night. The morning, man, it's fucking, man, I be getting here at 5 a.m., y'all. That shit ass crack in the morning, but we shoot it up. I gotta get through the last spreadsheet down, yo. I'm gonna be a pro by the end of this cut. Watch, I'm gonna get the pose and shit down to the dot. Come on, let's get the back going. Oh, man. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for tapping in. If you guys can like, comment, share, subscribe, I really appreciate the hell out of it, guys. All right? I'll catch y'all on the next one. And go get some fucking gains, everybody. Come on.